สวัสดีค่ะขอต้อนรับสู่พับวัน Channel อยู่กับพราวเองค่ะ Hello guys welcome to my channel you meet Prav for those who are first timer here usually I don't do video in English this video I'm going to do a makeup tutorial also first impressions on MTI Joy collection we have CC cream liquid lipstick on my hand here and also powder I'm going to try them all on. I never tried them before, but as you see the makeup is on my face now. It's gonna be interesting. I also did some review on how I think about these products from MTI at the end of the video. So if you're ready, let's get started. So I'll start off with foundation. The product I'm using today is MTI Joy 1 Fall CC Cream. It comes in 4 shades. So I apply along my jawline so you can see. I think I'm blending this one, the third one, and the fourth one together. I'm going to apply half of my face. This is without. It gives like natural finish to your skin. Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Full Coverage Concealer in Light Neutral. MTI Joy Anti-Shine Powder. It is rice powder, so it's not talc. It doesn't really change the color of the foundation, which is good. Foundation done. Joy Metallic Liquid Lipstick, but they say that you can also apply on your eyelids as eyeshadow or also on your cheek as a blusher. So I'm going to use this beigey color. This is like brown gold-ish color. I'm going to pop it on the middle of my eyelid and blend with my finger. It blends so like smoothly on my eyelid right now. Not sticky at all. Lower eyelash line. So my eyeshadow is done. My eyelashes are already done. There's faux lashes that looks very natural from Baby Lashes here. Let's move to the eyebrows. I'm gonna be using this Can Make Brow Powder in 12, mixing 2 colors together. Slightly swipe through my brows, tapping dark color. Brows done. Let's move on to the cheek. I'm going to try this liquid lipstick that we can use as a blusher. The one that I have in my hand is JN. I will pop it right to my cheek. Actually, the color is nice. I like it. Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in 1993. Slightly bigger than your actual lip shape, especially on the top. I am trying this on for you so you can see. JN, the same color as I put on my cheeks. So smooth, doesn't dry your lips. It blends to your lips pretty nicely actually, but it's not the color that I want for my look today. Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in 70 Amazonian lip color. Highlighter I'm going to be using today. This NARS Ibiza highlighter. Cheekbones. Also, I'm going to pop it on the tip of my nose. Inner corner of the eye as well. Let me tell you what I think about this product from MTI Joy collection. Let's start with the CC cream. I really like the texture. It's really like liquid, you know, but it also like cover your imperfections. What I think that they could do better is that they come only like in 4 shades. So like in my case, like none of them fit my skin color. I had to mix 2 colors together in order to get my shade. But apart from that, I think it gives me, you know, like nice skin. You set with the powder that comes like in this collection. I think together they work so well. I really like the powder though. On my skin, it doesn't change or gives that heavy feelings at all. I really like it's a good combo. This is perfect for your everyday use, if you ask me. I think the MTI Joy liquid lipsticks are nice. I love to apply them on my, you know, like eyelids. It's so fast. Like on my cheek, I think it's really nice. I really like it. If you guys are first time here and you like my video, so please subscribe, like and share my video, and you can find me on social media down here. I hope to see you guys next video. Bye bye.